So my resume. Oh, thank you. Nice. 95% in both 10th and 12th. BTech, MS, higher studies. Wow, nice. PhD, MBBS, MD. What is this? So my qualification, sir. Let me guess. You went to Google, search for degrees in India, took some top 5 results, copy pasted in your resume, and then brought it to me. Am I right? No, sir. No. How do you know? Hey, you may. Your resume? I don't have one. Okay. So see, basically I don't believe in all of these resumes, What does resume tell you? My past. I mean, who cares about the past? What I care about is the present and the future. Because that's all that matters, right? I mean, past just goes into history textbook, and honestly, who likes history, right? You get me, right? Yeah, that you don't have a resume. So what's your name? My name is John Prince. You can call me John. Or Prince. Oh, whatever. What's your name? I don't know if I'm reading it wrong, but you have applied for the CEO's position. That's my position. You have applied for my job. Oh, nice. Fine, let's forget all of that and get on with the interview. So based on a little bit of motivation or theory or whatever it is, you believe in the present and the future, right? So let me ask you a few technical questions. And okay, see, before we get on to any of the technical questions, I'd like to say something. You ask me questions from C, C++, Java, Python, C#, I won't be able to answer. Okay? You ask me from any other languages? Yes, I will. First question, what do you know? I know HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Oh, so you're into web development. Oh, I'm into like core web development. You give me a project and I'll finish in like, what does mean? One day? One day? No, I meant like 2 or 3 months. Thank you. Welcome. Next question? No, your interview is done. Thank you. Huh? But we just got started. And you're done. Oh, I see. You don't want me to replace your spot, huh? In the future, if you feel that you are not good enough for your spot and you want to call me, I'll give you my card. Do you want it? You have a card? No, I don't have a card. Just kidding. Next. Sit. Thank you, sir. So my resume. Oh, so you're here for sales. See, Vijay, our company is a very small startup, okay? Frost Private Limited. And we need a lot of salesmen. Now, for sales, the only thing that matters to me is how good you are at sales. How good you are at convincing people, right? So, resume, let us keep that aside. Sell me this pen. Okay, sir. Ready. Hello, sir. Are you looking for a pen? Yeah, I want a Ballo pen. No, sir. No. No. What? I mean, I can show you, sir, but why would you go for that pen when you have this pen? Why? What's so special about this pen? Sir, I'm just saying, like, I don't understand why people would go for Ballo pen when they have this pen, Fine, I'll get the pen, but you want to tell me what's so special about it? It writes very smoothly. Oh, my Ballo pen also writes really smooth. So this pen is extremely strong. Even if I drop it, it's not going to break. Come on, man. No pens break if you throw it from that height. Oh. It looks cute. God damn it, just get the pen, man. What? You can't talk to me like that. I'm very sorry, sir. I'm very sorry. So what about this? You get this one pen and I get you 10 Ballo pens free. Sure. Yeah, absolutely free, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get me the pen. Done. Pen has been sold. And what it will cost? What? Thank you. Your interview is done. Thank you, sir. Your pen. Sit. It's okay, sir. Take a seat. No, it's okay, sir. I just need a job. I'll be happy, sir. No need to sit, sir. Please, sir. No. First, you take a seat and then we can discuss. Take a seat. Yes, sir. No, sir. It's fine, sir. Just a job will be more than enough, sir. Sit! Oh, okay. Resume. You have many backlogs, man. Sir, I don't have a house, sir. What? Sir, I stay in a hut without a roof. I mean, that's sad. Sir, when I was a kid, when other kids used to sit and watch TV, I used to sit and count stars, sir. See, you may have a lot of problems, man, but I'm really sorry to tell you that telling all of that here will not get you the job. Sir, I'm the only source of income at home, sir. Fine, I'll hire you as my PA. Oh, yes, thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, I'm expecting a basic salary of only about around 80,000 per month. I'll be happy, sir. Get out. Huh? Why? Get out. So my mom and dad. No, get out. Just get out. Oh, okay. Sorry. Sir, I'm roll number 35. What? Oh, sorry, sir. My name is Shashi. Yeah, take a seat. Thank you, sir. You guys your resume? Yes, sir. Someone from Wipro made me that I don't have to bring my resume. You'll have it. I'm sorry, but you are at the wrong interview. This is Frost Private Limited. Sir, but my friend gave me this address. He told this is with. He pranked me. Yeah, I guess so. So what's the time? It's 2. No, I missed that interview also. So how am I so unlucky, sir? I don't know. I mean, I don't even know you. So do you have any jobs left?